At Hooked Promotions, we tend to lead with digital, and there's a number of reasons why we do that, but I want to focus on one of them today, and that is that digital marketing gives you instant feedback. In other words, data. And that data can be really useful for you. But I also understand that that might be a little intangible for you. So I want to break it down in kind of two really basic, easy ways that are kind of low hanging fruit when we talk about what type of data you can get from a digital ad and how that benefits you. So the first is that can tell us who your audience is. Because digital marketing is targeted by interest, you're not solely focusing on demographic like you would be in traditional media. So you're not looking at women who are 40. You're looking at people who are interested in gardening or trucking in general. And that can be people of different ages and different demographics. And to be honest, when we're running campaigns, a lot of times we find that out. And so that would be good information for you to know. And you can tell that through your ad campaigns. The second thing is that we can tell what your audience is responding to. So at a high level, we can tell you what headlines they're responding to most. There might be messaging that just really resonate and works, and you find that out because you can say this one has more clicks than this one does. The second thing you might look at is the imagery that they are responding to as well. There might be images that just work of families, for instances, or of the outside of your building that just tend to perform better than others. Well, with that information, you can take that and make sure those types of things and those types of headlines are on your social media posts, in your emails, and all of the rest of your marketing for that matter. So we think with digital marketing that you can provide a lot of data that helps eliminate some of the guesswork that sometimes we undertake when we're communicating with your audience. And it helps you put your best foot forward and spend your money as wisely as possible.